Ladies and gentlemen, disclaimer. The brand JJC Photography did send me this JJC magnetic smartphone action camera neck holder. So I am doing a product test. So disclaimer, they do not get to send me a script or get to say any inputs about how I tell you and influence you thinking about purchasing their products. This is on my own independent review and my assessment. So take this video with a grain of salt. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you some key features about this product that it may want to convince you to buying the product. Now, I've seen other markups like this at other brands that cost up to $100, but this one is very practical and affordable, under $35. You can afford this. This is another stabilizer. If you can't afford a $100 stabilizer or $200 stabilizer, this is another option. Now, keep in mind, as I press the black button, I release the articulated magnetic hold for this system. It's lightweight, it's foldable, and you can fold it and put it in your backpack. That's why it comes into different pieces. But also, when you do want to do vertical video, right, always place it to your right and then twist it left. If you want to release the arm or the neck, you press that red button, and then you will hear that red button click once more when you reuse it to lock it back in. But other than that, everybody, the strap band is a little bit too thin in my opinion. It should be a little bit thicker. I like a little bit of more comfort, but it's a pretty much tight squeeze around my chest cavity here, or my rib area. But other than that, everybody, this is made out of plastic material. Some of it are made out of some better plastic material. This is made out of some type of rubberized and textured quality to give it that flex. But the band is made out of some good Velcro. I feel like this is like M3 Velcro, so take it with a grain of salt.